You can tell where a soul is headed by the shadows walking at its side. We don't always choose the weather, but we choose where we land at night. I've seen angels at a dirty table, I've seen devils dressed in white. Everybody wears a label till the truth steps in the light. You can swear you're not becoming like the people in your room, but their language fills your mouth and their habits start to bloom. Every laugh becomes an echo, every lie becomes a thread. Every voice you keep around you builds a kingdom in your head. So be careful who you fly with, who you follow through the storm. Some will teach your wings to open, some will teach your heart to crawl. We become what we stand beside, little by little, day by day. Every flock has got a direction, even when it's lost its way. Birds of a feather flock together through the sunshine, through the weather. One wing falls, they fall beside it. One wing rises, they all get higher. Birds of a feather tied by motion, same dark sky, same wild ocean. What's the company you keep? Some birds fly and some birds lead you deep. Birds of a feather flock together, you become the ones you weather. Choose the ones who make you better. Birds of a feather flock together. Some will love you when you're winning, when the whole world knows your name, then disappear before the ending, when the fire eats the fame. Some will sit beside your silence, never needing you to speak. Hold the pieces of your courage when your spirit's feeling weak. That's the difference between people who just gather and belong. Some will only share your table, some will help you carry on. Not every crowd becomes a family, not every smile can be believed. Some will clap while you are drowning, some will die before you scream. We become what we stand beside. Every choice leaves something changed. You can't circle with the vultures and complain about the graves. Birds of a feather flock together through the sunshine, through the weather. One wing falls, they fall beside it. One wing rises, they all get higher. Birds of a feather tied by motion, same dark sky, same wild ocean. What's the company you keep? Some birds fly and some birds lead you deep. Birds of a feather flock together, you become the ones you weather. Choose the ones who make you better. Birds of a feather flock together. If all your friends are running backward, it gets hard to face the dawn. If everybody calls it normal, you forget that something's wrong. If the flock is flying nowhere, you don't have to stay in line. Sometimes finding who you really are means leaving them behind. Let them call you strange for changing, let them say you lost your way. Better flying by yourself than being buried where they stay. You were never born for cages, you were never made to crawl. Find the ones who guard your future, not the ones who praise your you becoming? Look around. What are they becoming through you? Are they feeding your fire or feeding your fear? Are they holding you back or helping you steer? A flock can become a shelter, a flock can become a chain. Some birds carry you through the thunder, some birds teach you to love the rain. Birds of a feather flock together, but not every bond should last forever. One wing heals, the rest grows stronger. One wing dreams, they all fly farther. Birds of a feather, choose your circle. Some make heaven, some make hurtful. Watch the company you keep, they plant the harvest that you reap. Birds of a feather flock together through every season, every pressure. Find the ones who make you better and be that kind of bird forever. You can tell where a soul is headed by the shadows walking at its side. So choose the wings that fly toward daylight and leave the darkness far behind.